Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're building an outdoor heater lamp. Begin by stacking both the 2x2 round bricks. Then place the 2x2 round plate on the bottom. Follow up with the 2x2 round tile with open stud by placing on top. Next, attach the antenna to the open stud. Take the 1x1 cone, turn it upside down and insert the Technique pin. Then attach that to the top of the antenna. Slide the 1x1 round brick onto the Technique pin. And finally place the 3x3 inverted radar dish on top to complete our build. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you soon.